nothing ever stays the same. Once you let it change. Hey, let it think it up, let it think. Hey, let it think it up, let it think, let it think.
Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we will cook this super delicious greeny chicken adobo with mushroom. Let's begin. Here are the ingredients that we need. First, sauté the onions. Followed by the garlic. Then add the ginger. Sauté for a minute or two. Then add the chicken. Cook it for about 5 to 7 minutes. Add some salt and pepper. Add soy sauce and vinegar. Now add the oyster sauce and sweetener. Add bay leaves and peppercorns. Add a little bit of water. Cook it for about 10 minutes. Stir every now and then. Add the red chili. Add the mushrooms. Cook it for about 1 to 2 minutes. Lastly, add the all-purpose cream. Cook it for another 2 minutes. Our creamy chicken adobo is now ready. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more easy cooking ideas.